In this episode of Moto Torque, I'm gonna try something new. We are going to try out the quality of the tubes that we use, the weld quality and the powder coat quality. I'm very keen to see what has happened to our crash guard. Oh. Okay. Well, I don't see any difference here. So let me try to get this down from the crash guard and check what has exactly happened. Let's have a look. Okay. Well, this was just a small testament to the quality that we build, that we bring on the table while manufacturing our products. Check out the welding quality. I don't see any crack. I don't see any peeling off the powder coat, and I don't see any dent on the tube. That is the quality that we promise to our customers and that we deliver. Another two. We're going to raise the car on the crash guard to check what kind of strength that we try to deliver on our crash guards. Nice, no? Well, as you guys can see, the car is standing on top of 4 pieces of the crash guard. That's total 2 sets of the crash guards that was made for Himalayan 450. Well, this video clearly shows you the quality of the welding that we do, the quality of the powder coating that we do, and the quality of the tubes that we use for manufacturing these crash guards. I just wanted to make sure there's no gap between the tire and the ground. Let's try to get this car out from the crash guard. It's been standing from almost 5 minutes now. So let's see what has it costed the crash guard if I take this out from it. As you guys can see, we've got 4 crash guards here that was run over by the mighty Fortuner that weighs around 2,600 kilograms. We are going to test the quality. Let me try to see any scratches on this. No. Any weld cracks? Definitely not. Any bend of the tube? Definitely not. So you can see it for yourself. That is the quality that we believe in, that we manufacture, that we produce, and that we deliver to you for your motorcycle with love, with passion. Thank you so much for making us the #1 selling brand in India. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, ride safe. Ciao.